दत्तो वो आदमी जो है ना बात करना चाहता है सर, आप बात करो। हाँ
हमारे भागवतम
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी आस्तीर्य दुर्भय प्रागाग्रय कास्येन क्षितिमण्डलम् सप्तो बृहत्पदान्मानि कर्मणा वैसि यत्परम् तत्कर्म हरितोषं यः सा विद्या तन्मतिर्यया। आश्चर्य दुर्भय प्रागाग्रय आश्चर्य दुर्भय प्राग्रय कास्येनाशितिमण्डलम् शब्दो बृहत्पदान्मानि कर्मणैवासि यत्परम् तत्कर्म हरितोषं यः सा विद्या तन्मतिर्यया।
स्तब्धो बृहद्वदन्मानि शब्दो ब्रह्मधर्माणि
कर्मानेवेसि यत्परम् तत्कर्म हरितो सम्यक् सा विद्या तन्मतिर्यया
Yes, online.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी आसीर्याधर्मै प्रागाग्रैः कास्नेन क्षितिमण्डलम् स्तब्धो बृहद्वधान्मानामानि कर्मणा वैसि यत्परम् तत्कर्म हरितो सम्यक् सा विद्या तन्मतिर्यया। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी आस्तिर्यदर्भे पागे कातशयेन क्षितिमण्डलम् स्तब्धो बृहद्वधन्मानि कर्मणा वेसि यत्परम् तत्कर्म हरितो सम ऐसा विद्या तन्मतिर्यया। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी आस्तिर्यदर्भे प्रागग्रे काक्षरीक्षितिमण्डलम् स्तब्ध्वा कर्मणावेशि यत्परम् तत्तत् हरितोषं यत् सा विद्या तन्मतिर्यया। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी अस्तिर्यदर्भै प्राग्रागोई कथैनास्थितिमण्डलम् तद्बुद्ध बृहद्धन्मानि कर्मणैवेषि यत्परम् तत्कर्म हरितोषं यत् सा विद्या तन्मतिर्यया। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु आस्तिर्यदर्भे पागे कास्नेन क्षितिमण्डलम् स्तब्धो ब्रह्मणानि कर्म तत्कर्म हरितो सम्यक् सा विद्या तन्मतिर्यया।
उत्तीर्यदर्भै प्राक्-अक्रैकारस्तन्येन क्षितिमण्डलम् स्तोक्ता बृहद्वदान्मानि कर्मणान्वेषि यद्वरम् तत्कर्म हरिदोषं यत् सा विद्या तन्मतिर्यया। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Astirya being covered, Darbhai by Kusha grass, Prakagrai with the points facing east, Kasnena altogether, Shitimandalam, the surface of the world, Tabdaha, proud upstart, Brahat, great, Vadha, by killing, Mani, thinking yourself very important, Karma, activity, Na, Aivaisi, you do not know, Yat, which, Param, supreme, Tat, that, Karma, activity, Haritoshanam, Haritosham, satisfying the Supreme Lord, Yat, which, Sa, that, Vidya, education, Tat, unto the Lord, Matihi, consciousness, Yaya, by which. My dear king, the entire world is covered with the sharp points of the kusha grass, and of the strength of this you have become proud because you have killed various types of animals in sacrifices. Because of your foolishness, you do not know that the devotion service is the only way one can please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You cannot understand this fact. Your only activity should be that should be those that can please the Supreme Personality Godhead. Our education should be such that we can become elevated to Krishna consciousness. Yes, Mataji.
Purport by Jivangle, Sesi Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. In this verse, the great sage Narada Muni directly insults the king because he was engaged in performing sacrifices that entail the killing of a great number of animals. The king was thinking that he was great for having performed so many sacrifices, but the great sage Narada directly chastises him, informing him that his animal killing only leads to his being puffed up with false prestige. Actually, anything that is done which does not lead to Krishna consciousness is a sinful activity. And any education that does not lead one to understand Krishna is false education. If Krishna consciousness is missing, one is simply engaged in false activities and false educational pursuits.
One more. Hari Dehamritam Atma Swayam Prakriti Ishwaraha Tatapadamulam Sharanam Yataha Shemo Niramiha. Shri Hari, the Supreme Personality Godhead, is the super soul and guide of all the living entities who have accepted material bodies within this world. He is the supreme control of all material activities in material nature. He is also a best friend, and everyone should take shelter at his lotus feet. In doing so, one's life will be auspicious.
Purport. In Bhagavad Gita 18.61, it is said, Ishvara sarva bhutanam hrideshe Arjuna tishtati. The Supreme Lord is situated in everyone's heart, O Arjuna. The living entity is within the body, and the super soul, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is also there. He is also called Antaryami and Chaitya Guru. As Lord Krishna states in Bhagavad Gita 15.15, he is controlling everything. Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishto mattah smriti jnanamapohanam cha. I am seated in everyone's heart, and from me come remembrance, knowledge, and forgetfulness. Everything is being directed by the super soul within the body. Therefore, the better part of valor is to take his direction and be happy. To take his directions, one needs to be a devotee, and this is also confirmed in Bhagavad Gita 10.10. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. To those who are constantly devoted and worship me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Although the super soul is in everyone's heart, Ishwaraha sarva bhutanam hrideshik Arjuna tishtati. He talks only to the pure devotees who constantly engage in his service. In Chaitanya Bhagavata Antya Leela 3.45, it is said, Tahara se bali vidya mantra adhyayana Krishna pada padme ye karaye stira mana. One who has fixed his mind on the lotus feet of Krishna is to be understood as having the best education and as having studied all the Vedas. There are also other appropriate quotes in Chaitanya Bhagavata. Seyi se vidyara phala janiha nishchaya Krishna pada padme yadi chitta vrittiraya. The perfect result of an education is the fixing of one's mind on the lotus feet of Krishna. Adi Leela 13.178. Digvijaya koriba vidyara karya nahe Ishware bhajile sehi vidya satya kahe. Conquering the world by means of material education is not desirable. If one engages himself in devotional service, his education is perfected. Adi Leela 13.173. Pade kene loka Krishna bhakti jani bare se yadi nahi lata be vidyaya ki hare. The purpose of education is to understand Krishna and his devotional service. If one does not do so, then education is false. Adi Leela 12.49. Tahare se bali dharma karma sadachara Ishware se priti janne sammata sabhara. Being cultured, educated, very active, and religious means developing natural love for Krishna. Antya Leela 3.44. Everyone has dormant love for Krishna, and by culture and education that has to be awakened. That is the purpose of this Krishna conscious movement. Once Lord Chaitanya asked Sri Ramananda Raya what the best part of education was, and Ramananda Raya replied that the best part of the education is advancement in Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानञ्जनाशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाशातु देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरिर्देवमृतम् आत्मा स्वयं प्रकृति ईश्वरः तत्पादमूलं शरणं यतः क्षेमो निरामिह। Sri Hari, the Supreme Personality, Godhead, is the super soul and guide of all the living entities of accepted material bodies. Within this world is the supreme control of all material activities in material nature. He is also a best friend, and everyone should take shelter of his lotus feet. In doing so, one's life will be auspicious. So today we discuss about education. You know, Prahlad Maharaj, there was a school made for him, Shanda and Amarka school, and he rejected that education. Primarily because it was based on the bodily platform and the meditation of my friend and my enemy. By result, we can see whether somebody is educated. Educated person means there is no enemy. He refused. So any person is there, he is educated, he says he is educated, but in his heart there is enemy individually, even nationally. He is actually not educated. We have this, the Gandhi also acted he was dressed like a spiritual leader, and he says, quit India, quit India. Not sign of a spiritually educated. He cannot speak like this. Educated person doesn't speak like that. How do we understand this? Okay? This is revolutionary. What was the result anyway? Just somebody going away didn't help anything. Spiritual education never started in India to this day. Spiritual knowledge has to be properly understood. So let us go to Bhagavad Gita, and we have shlokas of Pandita. Yes, any shloka where Pandit is there?
विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि शुनि चैव स्वपाके च पंडिता समदर्शिनः.
Yes. So not only within the species, like Gandhi is speaking, within the species he is showing hatred for some people. Get out of here, I don't want to see. And Prabhupada says this is what the whole world is descended to. So-called patriotism today, which is supposed to be the result of education, is rejected from a real education. Hatred for other people. So much hatred. Just because on the bodily identification, so much hatred, the world, they call it rightist. And they're developing so much hatred for people, correct? Like in आपके बॉम्बे में बिहारी लोग निकलो इधर से, है ना? तमिलनाडु में हिंदी लोग निकलो इधर से. Or sometimes they chase away northeast people, all that kind, even in the country. What is the education? Across the species we should be samadarshi, and not across. Within the species we do not see the result. Correct? People have this. What is education? That is not education. Education means we see, suppose somebody says, you आप ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट से मेडिसिन पढ़ के आए, है ना, सबसे बड़ा कॉलेज से मेडिसिन, अरे बाबा इसको बुखार है, इसका ट्रीटमेंट बताओ ना, तो नहीं वो तो मालूम नहीं, तो तुम्हारा एजुकेशन का क्या मतलब, हम तो रिजल्ट से देखेंगे ना, है, डिग्री से क्या करना, उसको अचार डालना है क्या डिग्री से, हमको तो रिजल्ट देखना है. रिजल्ट इज दिस दैट पीपल आर सो मच envious, jealous, hatred for people on a bodily platform. What is this education? Education means sarvopadi vinirmuktam. Education means we should be free from upadis. And what is modern education? Collecting certificate, upadi. है ना? Education is not this collecting certificates. Education is something else. Then in fact, actually, education means to give knowledge. Okay? Another way, education means was to give knowledge. And in this world, actually knowledge is there means Veda. What is the meaning of Veda? Knowledge. Vidwan. And now look at the joke. In the whole world, Vedas, what we are teaching, then why Swamiji is not teaching Veda? Nigam kalpataror galitam phalam sukhamukat. Yes, who is going to sing that?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु. निगम कल्पतरोर गलितम फलम सुखमुखात अमृद्रं संयुतम पीबत भागवतम रसमालयम मुरहु रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. हरे कृष्ण.
So this is the symptom of man who is educated. He is constantly drinking the Bhagavata rasa, and he knows why. Bhagavatam is the ripened fruit of the tree of Vedic knowledge. What is that? Ripened fruit. Therefore he will be drinking that fruit. Rasa. Rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. The person who knows. And what is education today? No education. He is just collecting resources for sense enjoyment, that's all. Outside he is making just a pretense. Some pretense. I am a doctor, I am an engineer, I am a chartered accountant, I am a whatever. He is just collecting money, you know. I remember in my college there was one boy, when he did BTech degree, people were stunned. इतना इंटेलिजेंट था. उसका एमटेक थीसिस खाली 2 पेज का था. College was stunned by him. So intelligent means, matlab, people are like mad. Whole campus used to talk about it. एमटेक किया तो सबने सोचा यहीं पे पीएचडी कर सकता है, और दे कैन गिव रिकमेंडेशन. वो गल्फ में एक बैंक में जॉब ले लिया, बिकॉज सैलरी बहुत अच्छा था. He was actually not interested in education, he was interested in money. So therefore teaching today, I don't know how many of you have an experience, some of you are teachers, had become impossible. People are not coming for knowledge anywhere. People are just coming to make money, and they're not per se interested in knowledge. They just want to use it so that they can get some degrees. For them degrees they can get some posh jobs, and with that they can make a lot of money and speak nonsense here and there, and they can no education. So people are not interested in actually. So around the world, because Vedas are not studied, actually there is no education any part of the world. There is no education going in any part of the world. That's not education. That's bakwas. Correct? This is education. And education begins with Athad Brahma Jigyasa. Education begins at that point. Hai na? And then he's fortunate, so all of you are fortunate, you're getting to hear the highest ripened fruit of knowledge. So those who are not hearing Bhagavatam, those who are not hearing Bhagavad Gita or even other Vedic literatures, what is education? They simply time pass kar rahe, idhar udhar bhatak rahe, bekufo ki tarah. They remain abodha jataha. They remain ignorant. Yes, parabhavastavat. Yes, who's going to sing the shloka? Parabhavastavat abodha jataha. No education. Locate, sing. Yes.
जातो यौवन्न जिज्ञासात्मतत्त्वं यावत् क्रिया तावदिदं मनो वै कर्मात्मकं येन शरीरबद्धम्.
Very good. Parabhavastavad, only uselessly born. Because life is for education. See, what is the difference between an animal and a small child? An animal cannot be educated, small child can be educated. What is happening today is an illusion of education. Just like I think I am the body, I am not the body. I am a spirit soul. So similarly, in a society actually there is no education going on. Just like animal knows how to, jump here, there, something they learn, some skill. It's not education. It's because they are not receiving any knowledge. They are not receiving any knowledge. Parabhavastavad jata hai. And actually a person really has some question. Yavan jigyasa atma tattvam. Then, if he even gets admitted to the college and if he has gone for knowledge, he will leave the college because nobody has any knowledge there. You just understand. If Atma Tattva has developed within your heart, you go to some big engineering college. Sir, I have a question. What is the question? Sir, who am I? Like Sanatan Goswami asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What did he ask? Anybody knows the exact Bengali line?
के आमी
अरे नहीं, पूरा line बोलो ना. ए क्या? He says, who am I and why I am suffering? In Bengali, what was the exact line? Sanatan Goswami asked Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because he wanted to be educated. He was a big government minister. And he left everything, correct? To come to the shelter of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to be educated. So when he met Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he asked this question. What was the question? Anybody located? Ke ami? Bengali में है ना, हम तो बंगाली नहीं है. Who am I and why I am suffering? Tapotraya. Yes, anybody located?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. केने अमया जारे तपतया इहा नहीं जानी केमाने हिता हया. हरे कृष्ण.
ग्राम व्यवहारिका है पंडिता सत्य कविमानी. Yes. Locate, can you locate that line? Supriti Mataji, did you locate that?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
PC 20.102 Prabhuji, Madhya Lila. Ke ami kene amaya jare tapatraya iha nahi jani ke kane hi kahaya.
So he says, Grama Vyavahare Kahi Pandita Satya Kavimani. Okay, let us see that she has helped us with this. I will go to this and we can see the exact words. Let us see. You should say the same thing. Then you will be educated. You sit in front of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, now. Keyani, okay, Kuhu Mataji, Bengali में बोलो.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी.
Very good. Yes, Mataji, you read the translation.
Translation. Who am I? Why do the threefold miseries always give me trouble? If I do not know this, how can I be benefited? Okay.
Just wait.
Yeah, yes.
No, it's not here. There is one more place he says, Grama Vyavahare Kahe Pandita Satya Kavimani. In an ordinary village talk, people say I am learned man. And I accept it. I am such a fool. But actually the reality is I do not know who am I and why I am suffering. correct? And when actually you have this thing predominant in your mind, see every person is known by, आदमी को कैसे जानते हैं क्या चीज उसका मन में प्रिडोमिनेट करता है ना? नॉर्मली आदमी को क्या होता है, प्रिडोमिनेट इन हिज माइंड इज materialistic life. Then materialistic life, what is the biggest pleasure in materialistic life? Sex. So he ends up taking shelter of a woman. शादी कर लेता है and he takes shelter of a woman. That will give him satisfaction. ठीक है? And then when somebody understands that no, my goal of life is spiritual, then he takes shelter of Krishna. So we can know his material or spiritual by whose shelter he has taken. Now somebody may dress like a brahmachari, उससे कुछ मतलब नहीं है. Whose shelter he has taken? Has he taken shelter of Krishna? Correct? May not be. ड्रेस से थोड़ी पता चलता है. मन में किसका शेल्टर रह रहा है? अरे वो लड़की मिल जाए, वो तो कुछ मतलब वो तो मेटेरियलिस्ट है ना. He is a materialist, he is not a spiritualist. And somebody may be grahastha, but he has taken shelter of Krishna. Whose shelter you have taken? Because shelter किसके लोग हैं? जिसको shelter, हमको तो कुछ चाहिए ना. आनंदमयो ध्यासात. Everybody living entity wants enjoyment. When he wants spiritual nourishment, he takes shelter of Bhagavata, he takes shelter of holy name, and he takes shelter of Acharya. Most important, he takes shelter of Acharya who will guide him. Who will guide him to come to spiritual life. But when normal man is very happy, है ना? Because what does he want? अच्छा खाने को मिल जाए and अच्छे से sex मिल जाए. So बस वही चाहिए ना, दो चीज. He is roaming in this world searching for only these two things. Therefore he finds a woman because she will give him these two things. अच्छा सा जो खाने को है, समोसा चाहिए रात को मिल जाएगा आपको, है ना? जलेबी चाहिए सुबह सुबह मिल जाएगा. Whatever you want you will get, she will give you. So generally, and so a person surrounded by all the things thinks his life is very wonderful. Therefore we say in the instruction of Prahlad Maharaj, it says Tadasadu Manye. Who will chant the shloka?
सदा समुद्विग्न भव्याङ्गपुत्रात् हृत्वात्मपातं गृहमन्दकोपं वनं गतं यद्धरिमाश्रयेते.
Beautiful, है ना? So therefore, for such a materialistic person who is lost in these things, satisfying his genitals and satisfying his tongue, है ना? Surrounded by all family members, it says, because you cannot lift. They will not allow you to lift from this situation. So it says, Hittat patam grihe andakupam. Jump out of this well, andakupa. Atmapatam, why you have given up your place of spiritual culture? Most of the people, they are not interested in the place of spiritual culture. Rather, they jump into the well of sensual enjoyment. है ना? Andakupa. Vanam gato med hari bhashreta. He says, you take shelter of Vrindavana and take Hari Ashraya. So whose Ashraya you have taken? This is independent of the ashram, but we should know whose Ashraya we are taking, whose shelter we are taking. You know, we are not so-called Jnanis. By our knowledge you will take shelter of Krishna. No, sir. You have to take shelter of Krishna. You cannot stand on your own realizations. We are standing on mercy of Krishna. Therefore, devotees always praying, my Lord, have mercy upon me. My Lord, have mercy upon me. It's always praying to the Lord. Tatya anukampam. What happened? Tatya anukampam susukshaman.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
So Jiveta Yomukti Pade Sataya Bhat, it becomes a right to inherit Krishna's lotus feet if he is always praying, my Lord, be merciful to me. My Lord, be merciful to me. Always pray. Correct? Because you need. Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? You think Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not a learned person? He defeated Keshav Kashani, the biggest scholar when he was a child. He defeated Sarvam Bhattacharya, but no scholar could talk to him, including Buddhists. All is smashed. But when he is walking from village to village, what he is saying? Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Yes, anybody knows the full song properly? Or you locate and sing. Prabhupada uses it also in Krishna book.
Krishna 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 Hai Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Pahi Mam Rama Raghava Rama Raghava Rama Raghava Raksha Mam.
Actually, beginning two lines are again there. Anybody has a shloka with them? Locate. This is 5 lines. Yeah, you have spoken the last 3 lines. Yes.
Krishna 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 Hai Krishna 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 Raksha Mam Krishna 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 Pahi Mam Ram Raghav Ram Raghav Ram Raghav Raksha Mam Krishna Keshav Krishna Keshav Krishna Keshav Pahi Mam Krishna 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 Hare Krishna. धन्यवाद प्रभु जी.
Thank you. So he's saying, why does he say Pahi Mam Raksha Mam? Because you need protection at every. That is education. Education means it does not become independent of the Lord. See, modern day education, modern day science, education actually means now we have become God. That is the meaning of education today. All the Mayavadis, the more they educated, more they become puffed up. And they become vimuktamaninaha. They think they have become liberated. Yes, what is the shloka? Ye Arvindaksha. Ye Arvindaksha vimuktamaninaha. त्वयि अष्टभावाद विशुद्ध बुद्धे. भाई कोई गाओ ना, मजा आता सुनने से. आरुह्य कृच्छेन परम पदम तथा पतन्ति अनादितु स्मदांग्रयः. Yes, Hare Krishna. Yes.
ये अन्ये विमुक्तमानिनः त्वयष्टभावाद् अविशुद्ध बुद्धयः आरुह्य कृच्छ्रेण परम पदम ततः पतन्ति अधो अनादृत युष्मद् अनुग्रयः.
ठीक है. Ye Arvindaksha, these people who have neglected to take shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna and they think they have become liberated. Actually, not only Mayavadis, even a normal materialist is like that. He thinks he is independent of the shelter of the Lord. He thinks he has become independent. And more the society that advancing in technological whatever, making these small toys, they thinking they have become. We give aura. When something is inconceivable, we give aura to that. बेवकूफ बना रहे बस लोग, कुछ और नहीं है. ये मोबाइल बना, ये बच्चों का काम है एक्चुअली. छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना नर्सरी का, दैट इज दैट वर्क. बट वी गिव और इतना मुश्किल है. कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है, वो बच्चों का काम है, बच्चों का काम. एंड वो बेमतलब की डिग्री लेके मेरे को मोबाइल बनाना गया वो घमंड लेके घूम रहे हैं. यू डू नॉट नो एनीथिंग एक्चुअली. समझ रहे ना. चैतन्य महाप्रभु, Sanatan Goswami was a great scholar. So much so, he was the prime minister of Sri Chaitanya of Namar Hussain Shah. But still is convinced that he does not know anything. Correct? He is convinced. So we are thinking we have become liberated. And we give aura. Just like we see Prabhupada, actually aura is around him is full of realized knowledge. When you see Krishna, there is aura. He is full of realized knowledge. होता ना, aura means inconceivable. It's mystic. क्या पता नहीं, है ना. Today what is happening? We give aura to this small children, speaking some foolish stuff. Some big scientist, some Nobel Prize. We are so much getting mystified. कुछ नहीं है उधर, बच्चों का काम कर रहे हैं, छोटे बच्चों का काम, mostly wasting time. Any knowledge which is not in the Vedas is actually waste. But somehow sometimes we learn little for papi pet ka sawal hai. Because if there is a Varnashma society, this science we can take a dustbin and put inside that. एक डस्टबिन में फाड़ के फेंक सकते हो सारा डिग्री से. Because see, why is it today people are running after this technological, because अपने खाना पीने का. When there is people are not interested in science, I can tell you right away. कॉलेज में आप पढ़ा रहे, एक बच्चे को इंटरेस्ट नहीं, क्या एक शब्द पढ़ा रहे हो कि उसको पैसे से इंटरेस्ट है. Moment you put Varnash society back into society where cow and earth is feeding you, people degree फाड़ के सब डस्टबिन में फेंक, because we are getting no livelihood. We have to give livelihood to society. आप बोलेंगे स्वामी जी आपका गीता भागवत पढ़ते हैं तो दिन मेरे को तो उधर जाना पड़ता है ना, कॉलेज जाके पढ़ना पड़ता है, जॉब कैसे मिलेगा, नहीं तो ऑफिस में जाएंगे तो खाना कैसे खाएंगे, वर्णाश्रम में तो हो गया ना. देखो Prabhupada created societies like that, but it's that we are not so awakened to follow in his footsteps. Varnashram societies all around the world are financially not viable. But in theoretically, दुनिया में तो पहले से चल रहा था, it was viable, no? Millions of years ऐसा नहीं था कि राजा को बचाना पड़ता था. It was running. Not only they were giving tax to the king. Nand Maharaj was not in shortage. Nand Maharaj, how he was living? Agriculture and cow. कोई loss में था क्या business? He was not under loss, but he was very rich. He was very, very rich. When Krishna was born, he was giving diamonds and he was giving gold. So today that has been lost. Varnashram society is lost. Prabhupada wanted to revive. Prabhupada said if he can do that. But sometimes people don't understand actually in what level it has to come. Not in the first level. Just like Bhagavad Vidhi, Pancharatrika Vidhi. We think if I just chant Hare Krishna, I read Shastra, I will be purified. Prabhupada says no. That is good. For a neophyte, that is the only level. Person is more advanced, he understands Pancharatra Vidhi is also important for my spiritual life. At the end, आपको खाना तो खाना है ना, भगवान को नैवेद्य करना पड़ेगा. कौन खाना बनाएगा? नहीं, मैं नहीं बनाऊंगा, मैं बहुत advanced हूँ. Don't be so proud of yourself. You are not so proud. Correct? Prabhupada, only lazy person will not cook. Correct? The sign of laziness. And I am part of that. Correct? Agreed? And so Pancharatrika Vidhi is also important. Therefore, the Goswamis said, there were many devotees in ISKCON one time, they will only do Shastra reading. Prabhupada, nonsense this is. Pancharatra Vidhi is also important. Both Bhagavad, but first level is only Bhagavad Vidhi. Because some people remain neophyte, they say only I will do Bhagavad Vidhi. Okay, remain neophyte, no problem. When somebody matures more, he understands Pancharatra Vidhi is also needed. Otherwise, why Goswamis will develop that? Why Prabhupada will make so many temples? Not needed, no. People could have just sat and read books. Pancharatrika Vidhi is also important. We have to clean the temple, somebody has to do that, no? You have to be reasonable, no? Somebody has to clean the temple, somebody has to cook, somebody has to offer to the deities, you have to decorate the deities. That's the balance. Then somebody has become little more mature in spiritual life. Okay? And even more, this much, you see, first start, how do you start one person? Will say Varnashram first date? No. First date, chant Hare Krishna, develop into a Bhakta. The second stage, you understand Pancharatra Vidhi is also important. Diksha is part of Pancharatra Vidhi. So then it becomes Pancharatra Vidhi also is important. He becomes more mature. So then comes Varnashma. Now without Varnashma we can live. It's not that we are not practicing. Varnashma, finally what it do? How a husband deals with the wife, how the wife deals with the husband, how they deal with the children, how to deal with the parent, how to deal with the priest, how to deal with the king, all those rules and regulations, and even economics based on cow and agriculture. But you cannot bring it in the first. If you are very powerful, do that. But I feel I will do it in the last. Okay, different devotees, proper given freedom, how you want to act. I will do it last, not in the first. What do you feel? So many farm communities are there, not one person is there. एक आदमी नहीं है उधर, किलोमीटर तक नहीं है कोई. अरे बाबा, better live in a city. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada said, make temples in the crowded places and preach. Correct? We could not afford to. Otherwise, we should have been right in the city. And we can preach Krishna consciousness very vigorously. Okay, so real education means also becoming financially independent. You see that one sense we are totally dependent on the Lord, but we are independent of the harassment of the senses. है ना? So we are totally dependent on the Lord, but Prabhupada was wishing we become free from this economic harassment in this world. Because people are into too much anxiety, financial anxiety. You tell somebody, okay, the real education is reading Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita, so I will sit down and read whole day. You try to do it. One thing, we don't have the capacity because we are not so pure. So therefore 8 plus 8 plus 8 is actually a mature devotee's life. 8 hours he is doing service, 8 hours he does sadhana, 8 hours, that is Bhaktivinoda Thakur's formula. That is a very happy, healthy, sustainable, practical thing. You'll be very happy. But it is not possible in the beginning. I'm losing the track. What was I developing? Anybody?
Prabhuji opening the temples in the cities.
Pancharatrika Vidhi.
Okay, Pancharatrika Vidhi, Bhagavad Vidhi, ठीक है, चलो, anyway, something was in my mind. It is Mata Smriti Jnanam Apohanam cha, ठीक है ना? So Krishna has the jnana and Krishna takes away. So leave it to Krishna. So we are in this situation today where the real education is lost from the society. We are actually cheated. In the name of education, we don't get education. Any education means it has to be in the Vedas, ठीक है? Because Veda means knowledge, education means giving knowledge. And instead of knowledge, all we are learning is we are learning some skills. Okay? And then if you go to somebody and you say you have to get education, he will say, I have a financial anxiety. Today. Therefore children all say, push beta, padhai karo, padhai karo. Koi nahi bolta, beta Gita padho, Bhagavad padho. Because so much anxiety is there for maintenance today. So therefore Prabhupada wished to create a Varnashma society, and it did that. So that we can peacefully sit and read Bhagavatam. Yeah, I was coming to that. You can peacefully sit, in suppose there is some sannyasis visiting you, it's very advanced and you want to sit and take association. Take care, the office jana hai na, kya karenge? That's the problem. So we see when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was personally present on the planet, the people from Mayapur used to come because Varnashma society. Society was based on cow and agriculture 500 years ago. The industries have only come some 200, 250, 300 years ago. Correct? 500 years ago, आपका ऐसा ये नहीं था. Tata Iron and Steel नहीं था. So they used to travel. All the people used to travel for 4 months. 4 months they used to spend with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Can you think of doing that today? Every year they used to go. Attend the Rath Yatra ceremony, spend time. Abhi aisa freedom nahi hai. So Prabhupada wished in his heart. He said, I have done 50%, 50% more can happen when Varnashram will be applied. But it doesn't mean Varnashram means economic independence from the Ugra Karma that society is in today. Kya hai? You have some, where is Ugra Karma in there? You have some agriculture and those, किसी ने agriculture किया नहीं तो आपने तो नहीं किया है ना? किसी को आपको मालूम होगा गांव में खेती तो होता है उधर है ना? कितना फ्री टाइम रहता है किसान को? मस्त रहता है पूरा। और 2 दिन नहीं, अर्जेंट कोई क्लास अटेंड करना है नहीं भी गया 2 दिन चलता है ना? प्लांट्स विल नॉट डाई, करेक्ट? 2 दिन बाद आ सकता है, बट आपका ऑफिस 2 दिन नहीं गए ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ना। सो यू जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ मच फ्रीडम इज देयर, हाउ मच फ्रीडम इज देयर इन अ वर्णाश्रम सोसाइटी, and they were not poor, they were very rich actually. So Prabhupada said, if you can develop it again, it's not that it cannot be done, but then we are not so. Nobody could do it as far as I know. The attempts are there around the world. They have done so many things, but they are struggling economically to maintain. But Varnashram was not under loss, Varnashram was under profit. Nandamara तो diamonds and gold दे रहे थे ना. So ऐसा नहीं कि आज नहीं कर सकते, आप कर सकते हो. नहीं कर सकते नहीं है, कर सकते हो. But बुद्धि नहीं है हमको, हम नहीं कर पाते. People are not able. Now the people, neither the people are trained. You say people to live in a Varnashram society, they just like so many times ISKCON open farm communities. So we ask people, you can live here free. You have no problem. We'll give you land, you can grow crops, okay? And you don't have to do, everything you will get free. Thoda halka sa kaam. But no, people could not. Because they have so many strong material desires. So we cannot live in a peaceful society if there is strong material desires. And then because of that we are ensnared. We are thinking this is education to make this, take it. Then jao, banao. Factory mein jao, ghad. And so, as Prabhupada used to say, education means shanti. What is the civilization mean? Shanti. Kahan hai shanti? Yes, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne.
विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि शुनि चैव स्वपाके च पंडिता समदर्शिनः.
ठीक है. Thank you. We started with the shloka. So Vidya leads to Vinaya. Person become humble, person become polite. But today what is happening with the Vidya, we are only collecting certificates. We are actually, there is no internal purification that we see that as a result. Prabhupada has given so many quotations you saw. Let us go to some of them. So many quotations, he has taken trouble to take us so many quotations from different scriptures to show the value of education. You see that? So Krishna says, if you favorably continue to do devote service, I will give you real knowledge. Education, Krishna will give from within the heart. That is one. He said, yes, Kuhu Mataji, sing this verse, Tahare se bali vidya. Chalo. Tahare se bali vidya mantra adhyayana Krishna pada padma ye kare siramana. One has fixed his mind to the lotus feet of Krishna, is understood having the best education. See that? What is the use? देखो अपना डायरेक्टर का दिमाग फिक्स्ड है कृष्णा लोटस feet. नहीं, he is not educated. डिग्री बाहर लगाइए, that is degree of ignorance. अरे क्या क्या डिग्री लगाते हैं ऑफिस के बाहर देखा है, B.Tech, M.Tech एंड देन वो क्या होगा, PhD, कुछ फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम होगा, प्रिंसटन यूनिवर्सिटी, देन पोस्ट डॉक्टरेट एक और यूनिवर्सिटी है ना, ये सब बड़ा बड़ा लगाते हैं, डिग्री ऑफ इग्नोरेंस है ना. So what is that? Somebody has fixed his mind on the lotus feet of Krishna is the best education. And he has studied all the Vedas. Great. Sei se vidyara phala janiya nishtaya Krishna pada padme yadi chitta vritti raya. The perfect result of an education is fixing one mind to the lotus feet of Krishna. So I am showing you a quotation. ऐसा नहीं वो क्या बोल गया क्लास में. दिग्विजय करीबा विद्यारा कार्य नाहे ईश्वरे भाजीला से vidya satya kahe. Conquering the world by means of material education is not desirable. If one engages himself in devotion service, his education is perfected. पादे के नालो का कृष्ण भक्ति जानी बारे से यदि नाही लता वे विद्या की कारे. Okay, you can repeat after me. All of you are interested. पादे के नालो का कृष्ण भक्ति जानी बारे. Repeat, repeat. से यदि नाही लता वे विद्या की कारे. Purpose of education is to understand Krishna and his devotion. If it does not do so, then education is false. Tahare se bali dharma karma sadachara. ईश्वरे से प्रीति जन्मे सम्मता सवारा. Being cultured, educated, very active, religious means developing natural love for Krishna. Yes, Mataji, conclude Prabhupada lines.
Hare Krishna. Everyone has dormant love for Krishna, and by culture and education, that has to be awakened. That is the purpose of this Krishna conscious movement. Once Lord Chaitanya asked Sri Ramananda Raya what the best part of education was, and Ramananda Raya replied that the best part of the education is advancement in Krishna consciousness.
So just imagine So therefore, the society Prabhupada has created is for real education. Correct? Real education. And then in Bhagavad Gita, when Arjuna is speaking so much stuff in the first chapter, Krishna says something. Ashochan, who will sing the shloka? Okay. Shochanti Pandita. So he's saying, you're speaking like the whole world is actually not educated. And they are speaking. You know, there is a saying, मौन. They should actually practice मौन. चुप बैठे रहो. बहुत शांति होगा. है ना? अभी क्या है, किसी पे कैमरा लगा दो, बड़ा और उसको रिकॉर्ड करके कितना 150, 200, 300 चैनल्स आर रनिंग. बट देर इज नॉट अ ड्रॉप ऑफ एजुकेशन देयर, है ना? और ऊपर से मायावादी दूसरे उसमें घुस जाते हैं इंटरेस्ट में इनके. ज्यादातर 99% मायावादी थी. सो एक्चुअली देर इज अ डर्थ ऑफ एजुकेशन इन दिस वर्ल्ड. When Prabhupada came to America, they asked Srila Prabhupada, why you come to the country. Prabhupada gave various answers. My spiritual master ordered me and all. One time Srila Prabhupada said, I came to make you more intelligent. Very interesting. Look at the confidence of the Acharya. We will be totally mesmerized by the big skyscrapers, by the flyovers, by so many other things, we'll be mystified, totally seeing the wealth of the country. We will be bhoga aishwarya, we will be totally blown away. But Acharya, why you come to this wretched country? He said, Krishna, why you brought me to the wretched place? Because why? He's seeing only fools all around. When Arjuna was also speaking, giving so much bhashan, what does Krishna was doing? He was smiling, he's speaking like a fool. So then Krishna gives a real education to Arjuna. That is Bhagavad Gita. So let us take benefit, and we should be very confident. We are so fortunate. One Srila Prabhupada says, can't you see the magic? So devotee looked at it as a magic. You got knowledge. That is education. Actually, so Prabhupada actually educated the world because he gave them real knowledge. And not only real knowledge, the highest knowledge. Imagine knowledge of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, knowledge of Radharani. Where even in other sampradayas it is not there. So much. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu knowledge, so confidential this is. The highest of the knowledge has been revealed. Namo Mahavadanyaya. Yes, who knows this shloka?
Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Chaitanya Namane Gaura.
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so merciful to us. Mahavadanyaya, he is giving you highest knowledge. Why? What is the result of real knowledge? Krishna Prema, natural love for Krishna. You seeing that? Developing natural love for Krishna. Krishna Prema Pradayate. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving you Krishna Prema. The highest knowledge is there. But what is happening actually to where Papi Pet ka sawal hai, so like Ishopanishad says, we have to learn some vidya also, some avidya also in this world. Some avidya we have to learn. Avidya doesn't mean ignorance. Avidya means which is not knowledge. That is some skills. You have to learn. अभी तुम लोहार का काम है तो लोहा टेढ़ा करना सीखना पड़ेगा आपको. अभी गीता पढ़ो लेकिन वो करना पड़ेगा. पापी पेट का सवाल है. So similarly, natural love for Krishna to awaken is my real business. See, what is primary, what is secondary, आप लोगों को समझ नहीं आता है. They think primary is material education and secondary is spiritual education, है ना? बच्चों के बेटा थोड़ा टाइम होगा गीता ही पढ़ना. रिवर्स बेटा, गीता पढ़, टाइम होगा थोड़ा एजुकेट हुई पढ़ लेना, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री पढ़, क्योंकि मरना है ना एक दिन. साथ क्या ले जाओगे? मेटल एजुकेशन साथ नहीं जाना पड़ा, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट लाइफ में आपको नर्सरी से शुरू करना पड़ेगा. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते पिछले लाइफ में पीएचडी करा था मैं सर मैं डॉक्टर से शुरू करेगा. नहीं, पैदाइशी था डॉक्टर लिखो मेरा नाम, नहीं चलेगा, नहीं होगा. अगर आपको याद भी है तो अलाउ नहीं करेगा, बोलेगा नर्सरी जाओ, प्री केजी भी जाओ. दे विल नॉट अलाउ यू. बट स्पिरिचुअल एजुकेशन इज परमानेंट. व्हाट इज द श्लोका स्पिरिचुअल एजुकेशन? प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते नेहा विक्रम नाशो अस्ति. Who knows this shloka?
नेहा विक्रम नाशो त्रायते महतो भयात्.
Why this education? Because this will save you from the greatest danger. You know that example Prabhupada was telling in his class to his first visitors, please keep coming for the class, you will be saved from a great danger. एक दिन बोला, 2 दिन बोला, 3 दिन somebody raised, प्रभुपाद ये बताओ, हर दिन बोलते हो क्लास आओ नहीं तो I will be saved from great danger, ये क्या डेंजर की बात कर रहे हो? प्रभुपाद बोले to become animal in next life. इतने लोग थे, ड्रग्स दारू सब चल रहा था, अगला जन्म गारंटीड जानवर का था. So प्रभुपाद से आते रहो, you look at the confidence of the आचार्य, है ना, शेर, आते रहो, अच्छा है, जानवर बनने से बच जाओगे. So that, what is the use of this education? You do B.Tech, M.Tech, PhD और उसके बाद बिल्ली बन गए. क्या है education? It is education. This is not actually education. This is not education. Actually also the education makes a person free. This education is Sudra education because after that person will look for a job. Brahmana would never look for a job. He was Pathan Pathan. Kshatriya also was ruler king. Vaishya was also doing his own business. What presently is a Shudra education because after that you have to look for a job. Swavidvara Ustara Kharai Samsutaha Purusha. Yeah, who knows the shloka? Swavidvara Ustara Kharai. हद हो गई यार, याद करो एजुकेशन, कुछ और दिमाग लगाए रहता पूरे दिन. हाँ, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम. प्रभुपाद यूज्ड टू से कीप पोरिंग इन एवरी मोमेंट. श्रोत्रियम ब्रह्मनिष्ठम. फिक्स योर माइंड ऑन द शास्त्र. शास्त्र चक्षु, देन इट लीड. हाँ, Swavidvara Ustara. See Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when he is talking to the devotees, always quoting Shastra, always quoting Shastra. That is the result of education, है ना? People today talk, quote politicians because all put it in वही पढ़ते रहते हैं, है ना? जो शब्द, हाँ, Swavidvara Ustara खरे, you know this shloka?
खरई संस्तृप्त पुरुष पशु न यत्कर्ण पथोपेतो जातु नाम गदाग्रज.
Thank you so much. Take care. Swavidvara. So this modern day education is only creating 4 kind of animals. Swa means dog, because without job he will die, he will starve. Vacancy is not there means he is waste. Vidvara, pigs, because pigs means there no discrimination of food. Ustara, camel, he will do even sinful activities and think it is pleasure. Kharai, donkey, he will work 24 hours but no time to read Bhagavad Gita. So this kind of 4 people the education is created. Convocation ceremony होती है ना, यही 4 लोग निकलते हैं वहाँ. चेहरे बदल दो बस, चिपका दो. कोई कुत्ता है, कोई सुअर है, कोई ऊंट है और गधा है, बस वही 4-5 निकल रहे, बड़े खुश होके. ये एजुकेशन नहीं है, इसका कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ, खाली टाइम बर्बाद हो गया, है ना. बट एंड वी सी द रिजल्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन. रिसेंटली इट हैपेंड. वो आपके डॉक्टर लोग थे तो बम बना रहे थे. ये एजुकेशन है उनका. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दिस एजुकेशन? Not only that, they're making a poison resin which is considered extremely poisonous. बना रहे थे उसका, है ना. They were, I mean, now you, ये लोग एजुकेट करके क्या करोगे आप लोग? Therefore Prabhupada is saying, देखो गांव में गवार होता है ना, वो जनरली भगवान को मानता है. आजकल क्या हो रहा है समाज में, वेरी एजुकेटेड पीपल को घमंड बहुत हो गया है. It has been seen, more person is educated, more he become faithless in God. जड़ विद्या मायारा, बताओ अभी भी आया था भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर का श्लोक है, जड़ विद्या मायारा वही बाबा, है ना. जड़ विद्या माया, हाँ माया ठीक है. So we got some hint now. So what do we do? So we should therefore, you have the day, don't waste one moment. The opportunity to learn by hearing is only in human form of life. And only in this form you can hear the Shastra, or through the devotee also repeat the Shastra. You can hear the Shastra and be educated and go back to Krishna's, develop love of Krishna. Correct? Dormant love, natural love for Krishna, you develop within your heart, go back to the spiritual world, serve Radha Krishna. This is real education. Correct? Do not waste time. One moment we should not waste. Pragyavadam bhashite. We should be convinced. Ashochan anvashocha. Some people are unnecessarily bothered over things which are actually not bothered. They are just speaking like a learned man. They are actually fools. Let us not waste our time. We should use every moment because opportunity is there. Otherwise, animal kingdom is waiting. Will be brought to sanity. Animal kingdom, when you become insane, you have to go to animal kingdom. Because you're not learning by hearing, you have to learn now by experience. You'll be beaten into pulp in animal life by experience. Then you come to some sanity, then you get chance in a human form of life. And now when you got chance after Bahu Sambhavante, Labdava Sudurlabham Idam Bahu Sambhavante. Now you got a chance of human form of life. Do not miss this opportunity. Be educated. Parabhavasthavadhabodha jatam yavanna jigyasa atma tattvam. So not theoretically we say yavanna jigyasa. It should be burning within our heart atma tattvam. Yavanna jigyasa atma tattvam. Otherwise, karmatmakam yena sharira bandhaha. We will be trapped by the yavat kriya adam mano idam manovai. Whatever activities you are doing in sense gratification, that will pollute your mind and you will continue the material existence. So a big opportunity is there for us. Take the opportunity. Do not take it lightly. This is a very, very big opportunity. Chant the rounds very attentively. I heard is some devotees are getting up at 3 o'clock and starting chanting. It becomes so serious. And they by the 6:30 itself, they finish their 16 knots. I was just getting report. Very nice. More become serious. The more you become serious to advance the spiritual life, the better chance we have to what happens when the body we leave. Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Get educated, educate other people.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Prabhuji, can I say something?
Dandavat pranam Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat pranam.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Krishna Hare
Rama Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare
Rama
Hare,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare Hare.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya,
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Rama, Hare Rama,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
Rama
Krishna,
Rama,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Hare.
Hare Hare,
Krishna
Rama
Hare
Rama,
Krishna,
Rama Rama,
Krishna
Hare
Rama,
Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Rama
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
Rama
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Krishna
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare.